Hello guys, this is Alex here, Car Guy, and today I wanted to make this short video on how to replace your blower motor regulator on my 1997 Mercedes-Benz S320 with the inline M104 engine. That procedure should apply on most W140s, and here's the reason why I decided to replace my blower motor regulator. Basically, the heat is not working properly. It was cutting off. Sometimes it'll work just fine, and sometimes I'll literally turn it on and it would be at the max level and I would literally get very little heat. Okay, so I wanted to show you this. It's very easy job, literally 15-minute job. I got it done, and this was the faulty part, so I replaced it. I mean, look at the old one. This is just looks bad. And then here's the part number, guys. I ordered this from Parts Geek, 140-821-8451, and I paid like 63 bucks for this part. Okay, so not bad. I mean, there's definitely ones that you can get for 25 bucks on eBay. I decided to pay a little bit more just because this is my daily driver, and then you want to have a nice part that will last you longer. This is a Behr brand, and then it comes with this head sink compound, which you apply on this side. So here's what you do. Basically, you take a flathead screwdriver. All you need is a flathead screwdriver, Phillips, and a T20 Torx bit. You remove, there's 3 bolts on this side, which I already took off right here. And there's 1 bolt on this side, which I removed, okay? And then you want to carefully remove this hose line right here with a flathead screwdriver, which I already did, and kind of carefully put it on the side. Then you want to lift this panel up carefully and then put it on the side like this, basically. And there's, I took the insulations off as well. We want to be careful with them and stuff like that. So, and I've also cleaned this area, guys. You don't want your drainage to be clogged or anything like that. So I cleaned this area, and while you're at it, you might as well put a brand new air filter in here, which I already did that, okay? Then once you do that, you remove the air filter like this, guys. And then that's pretty much what you're looking at. So this is the blower motor regulator. I've actually already put the new one in there. Just wanted to let you know, all you do is remove the 2 T20 Torx bit screws. You actually lift that whole thing. It's gonna be fine, don't worry. And then remove this plug, and then you lift that up, and you take the blue connector out and the red connector out, and then you replace it with the new one. Okay, so this is already the new one. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to get to it. And like I said, I already applied the compound, and I've already tested it, and the heat works just fine, works 100% properly. So that was the faulty part. I just wanted to show you kind of how you get into it and stuff like that. So it's overall easy procedure, guys. 62 bucks, literally takes you like 15 to 20 minutes to get done. You don't need any fancy tools. All you need is these 3 tools, and you get that thing replaced. I mean, I would recommend going with a little bit more high-end part for this. That way this whole thing will last a lot longer. So hopefully this video helps, guys. Like and subscribe. Replacing my blower motor regulator on my 1997 Mercedes S320. Like I told you, I've already tested it. This did fix the job, so I'm happy. I'm gonna have a heat and air conditioning anytime. So pretty awesome. Thank you. Hopefully that helps, and like and subscribe.